The appliance is supplied with a water filter, odor-free charcoal filter, that filters supply water for making ice cubes. The odor-free charcoal filter improves the taste and smell of the ice cubes by removing chlorine and other substances from the supply water. To ensure the quality of ice cubes remains high, it's essential to change the water filter regularly. The water filter is located here, and as you can see, there is an icon on the cap with some alignment marks showing when the water filter is properly installed. To remove the filter, just take the water filter, we're going to rotate counterclockwise. You're going to come to a first detent, go beyond that, and you'll see that it rotates all the way out to the 6 o'clock position, at which point the water filter can be removed. Just the filter portion needs to be removed, so we'll need to remove the filter cap. In order to do so, you'll see that there is a tab locking on each side. You just need to depress those, pull the cap away, and you can change just the filter. Note, do not discard the filter cap. When you have the new filter, just reinstall the cap. Insert the filter. The handle is at approximately the 6 o'clock position. Rotate clockwise until it stops and the alignment marks match up. After filter replacement, check for leaks. After inserting a new water filter, dispose of all ice cubes produced in the next 24 hours following the filter replacement. The reminder to change the water filter keeps appearing until you change the water filter and reset the water filter display. See switching on, switching off, or resetting the water filter display under selecting additional settings in the operating manual. I'll now demonstrate accessing these settings. I'll press the settings icon, scroll through. So from here you can see you have the water filter display. And if I choose OK, you'll see I'm left with 3 options: on, off, or reset. Since this appliance is actually using a water filter, I'm going to leave it at on. If you've changed the water filter, you can choose a reset. Press OK, back out, and you're all set. Replacement water filters are available directly from Miele through our online store or from your local Miele dealer.